Hello, Captains. It's Miss Brandy. Today we're going to talk about how you move your pirogue along the trail to mark how far you've traveled with the Corps of Discovery. The first thing that you need to do is choose your expedition cards. You can find those in the chat area. Once you've filled out your captain's log and found out how far your team has gone using the expedition cards, then you move your pirogue along the trail. It would look something like this when you are mapping it out. The first thing that you do is you hold on to your pirogue, and you can do that by going up here to the arrow that's pointing to the left and hold on to your pirogue. Knowing that your team has gone 100 miles, I would count 4 of these little dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I would put my pirogue on dash number 4. Then I would use my text tool, this A right over here. I go to the top of that dash, select once, and press number 1. That meant on the first lesson, my team has gone to that spot on the map. The next thing that I do is I need to log these miles. Again, I make sure that the A is selected. Go down here somewhere wherever there's white space and click. Press day 1 equals 100 miles. And then I would press enter and I would put the coordinates. If I go to the left, I see that it's 46 degrees west and 102 degrees north. 46 degrees west and 102 degrees north. You notice I didn't put the degree sign, and that is because I do not have it on my computer. That would be how I would log day 1. Let's take a look at the next captain who comes along. Let's say this time, when she looked at the expedition cards, she noticed that her team went 175 additional miles. So I would go to the arrow pointing to the left, select my pirogue, and count 175 miles. 25, 50, 75, 100. 25, 50, 75. And I would put my pirogue right there. Then I would choose the text tool and go ahead and mark a number 2 right above that line, showing that this is the second day of the expedition and that is how far our team went. And then I would go down, making sure that I have the A text tool selected. I would go down underneath where the first captain had written, and I would write day 2 equals, that's right, 175 miles. And then I would put the total number of miles, just so we can keep this straight. 175 miles plus 100 miles is 275 miles. If you are a younger student, your parent will help you with this, so there's no need to worry. And then I also need to map my coordinates. So I would look up here and go to the left, and I'd say it's about 47 degrees west and 106 degrees north. 47 degrees west, comma, and 106 degrees north. The map is ready for the next captain to come on in and log the miles for day 3. Congratulations, Captain. Very simple to do. Have a great expedition, and I'll talk with you soon. Bye for now.